The ocean, a vast and mysterious realm, teems with life, from the smallest creatures to the largest animals on Earth. Its depths hold secrets we are only beginning to uncover, and its surface stretches farther than the eye can see. Every corner of this immense blue world is alive with movement and energy, a testament to the power and complexity of nature. But have you ever considered what sustains this incredible diversity of life? What is the driving force that keeps this underwater world thriving, generation after generation? The answer lies in microscopic organisms called phytoplankton, the unsung heroes of our planet's aquatic ecosystems. Though invisible to us, they are absolutely vital to the health of the ocean, and, by extension, to life on Earth itself. These single-celled plants, too small to be seen with the naked eye, are the foundation of the marine food web, providing sustenance for a vast array of marine creatures. From tiny zooplankton to massive whales, nearly every ocean dweller depends on phytoplankton, either directly or indirectly, for survival. Phytoplankton, like their terrestrial counterparts, possess the remarkable ability to harness the power of the sun through photosynthesis. Floating near the ocean's surface, they soak up sunlight and transform it into energy, fueling not only their own existence but the entire marine ecosystem. Using chlorophyll, a green pigment found within their cells, they capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy, producing sugars that fuel their growth and reproduction. This process is the very engine that powers the ocean's food chain, supporting life at every level. This process, essential for their survival, has profound implications for life on Earth. Without phytoplankton, the ocean's intricate web of life would collapse, and the planet's atmosphere would be drastically different. As phytoplankton photosynthesize, they absorb carbon dioxide from the surrounding water, a byproduct of respiration by marine animals. In doing so, they help regulate the planet's carbon cycle and play a crucial role in mitigating climate change. In return, they release oxygen, the life-giving gas that we and countless other organisms depend on for survival. In fact, scientists estimate that phytoplankton are responsible for producing at least half of the world's oxygen supply. It is a delicate and intricate dance of life, a symbiotic relationship between the seen and the unseen, the large and the small. Every breath we take is a silent tribute to these tiny organisms and their tireless work. Just imagine, these tiny organisms, drifting with the currents, invisible to the naked eye, are responsible for generating a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe. Their journey is shaped by tides, winds, and sunlight, yet their impact reaches every living being on Earth. Their contribution to our planet's atmosphere is nothing short of remarkable. The next time you gaze out at the ocean, remember the invisible engine beneath the waves, quietly sustaining life on our blue planet. The air we breathe, the very essence of life, is a product of a delicate balance maintained by countless organisms on Earth. Every inhale is a silent testament to the invisible processes happening all around us, both on land and beneath the waves. While forests are often hailed as the lungs of the planet, it is the phytoplankton in our oceans that deserve equal if not greater recognition as the primary oxygen generators. These tiny organisms floating near the surface of the sea are often overlooked, yet their contribution is nothing short of extraordinary. These microscopic powerhouses, through the process of photosynthesis, contribute an estimated 50% or more of the oxygen in our atmosphere. In fact, every second breath you take is thanks to the tireless work of phytoplankton, transforming sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into life-sustaining oxygen. Consider the sheer scale of the ocean, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface. This vast blue expanse is not just a scenic backdrop, but a living, breathing engine of our planet's health and stability. Within this immense expanse, trillions upon trillions of phytoplankton are constantly at work, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Their collective activity forms the foundation of the oceanic food web and helps regulate our planet's climate. Their collective effort is a testament to the power of nature, a reminder that even the smallest organisms can have a profound impact on our planet. Despite their size, phytoplankton play a role that is absolutely vital for the survival of countless species, including our own. This oxygen production is not merely a byproduct of their existence. It is an essential process that sustains life as we know it. Without this ongoing cycle, the balance of gases in our atmosphere would shift dramatically, threatening all forms of life. Every breath we take, every animal that roams the land, every bird that soars through the sky owes its existence to the oxygen generated by these tiny marine plants. From the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, their influence is felt everywhere. Without phytoplankton, our planet would be a vastly different place. The oceans would become barren, the skies emptier, and the very fabric of life as we know it would unravel. The next time you take a deep breath of fresh air, remember the phytoplankton, the unseen heroes working tirelessly beneath the waves to provide us with the very air we breathe. Their silent labor is a gift we often take for granted, yet it is fundamental to our survival. Their existence is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth, a reminder that we are all part of a delicate and intricate web of life. By understanding and protecting these tiny organisms, we safeguard the future of our planet and every living thing that calls it home. The ocean's vastness belies a complex and interconnected web of life, where every organism, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the health of the entire system. It is a delicate balance of predator and prey, producer and consumer, with each link in the chain supporting the next. At the heart of this intricate system lie the phytoplankton, the primary producers of the marine food web. So tiny they are invisible to the naked eye, yet so numerous they color entire regions of the ocean. Their role is not merely to generate oxygen. They are the very foundation upon which the entire marine ecosystem rests, supporting life from the smallest shrimp to the largest whales. These microscopic plants serve as the primary food source for a wide range of marine animals, from tiny zooplankton to giant whales, fueling the growth and survival of countless species. Imagine a vast underwater pasture teeming with microscopic plants grazed upon by countless creatures, each one depending on the abundance of phytoplankton for its next meal. This is the essential role phytoplankton play in the marine ecosystem, acting as the starting point for nearly all oceanic food chains. Zooplankton, tiny animals that drift in the ocean currents, graze on phytoplankton, consuming these tiny plants as their primary source of nutrition and energy. These zooplankton, in turn, become food for small fish, transferring the energy captured by phytoplankton up the food chain. Small fish are then preyed upon by larger fish, seabirds, and marine mammals, each step connecting life in the ocean in a continuous cycle. The energy from the sun, captured by phytoplankton through photosynthesis, flows through the food web, sustaining life at every level and fueling the diversity of the seas. This intricate food web is a delicate balance, susceptible to disruptions in any of its links, and dependent on the continued health of its foundation. Changes in phytoplankton populations, whether due to natural fluctuations or human-induced factors like climate change and pollution, can have cascading effects throughout the entire marine ecosystem, impacting every creature that depends on this vital web of life. The interconnectedness of life in the ocean is perhaps nowhere more evident than in the relationship between phytoplankton and some of the largest animals on Earth, whales. These majestic creatures, despite their immense size and predatory nature, are ultimately reliant on the tiniest of organisms for their survival. Consider the baleen whales, such as the humpback whale or the blue whale. These gentle giants, lacking teeth, possess baleen plates, fringed structures in their mouths that act as giant sieves. They feed by engulfing massive amounts of water, filtering out tiny organisms like krill, small crustaceans that feed on phytoplankton. These krill, in turn, owe their existence to phytoplankton. The energy from the sun, captured by phytoplankton, flows through the krill and ultimately sustains the massive bulk of the whale. It is a remarkable example of the interconnectedness of life, a testament to the delicate balance that sustains the ocean's biodiversity. Even the largest predators in the ocean, such as sharks, rely indirectly on phytoplankton. They may prey on fish that consume smaller fish, but at the base of this food chain are the phytoplankton, the primary producers that capture the sun's energy and fuel the entire ecosystem.